David, can you come show me these letters? Can you come show me the letters? What letter is this?
K.
K. What other letters do you see? What letter is that? I. H. Good. What letter is that? U. What letter is here? What's that letter?
M.
What's that letter? What letter do we have here? What letter is this? What? What letter? What letter is that?
B.
B. Good. What letter is this? Q. What letter is in your hand? What letter is that?
D.
What?
T.
T. Very good.
I like that.